Continues to be available to the community.
The Catholic Charities Respite Center in McAllen is nearly empty. They have seen a drop in migrants needing help since President Trump returned to office. It comes as the Trump administration continues its crackdown on illegal immigration.
That's right. Since January, there have been less migrants crossing the border and less asylum claims being accepted by the feds. But as Channel 5's Santiago Caicedo reports, a new legal ruling could change that.
At the Catholic Charities Respite Center in McAllen, a large space sits empty but still open for those in need.
The center has never closed. We continue to assist and always have assisted the homeless.
Sister Norma Pimentel, the director of Catholic Charities in the Valley, says she has seen a drop in the number of migrants seeking shelter since the pandemic. Those seeking help included a local homeless man in need of shelter and a young family from Rio Grande City who stayed at the center while their newborn is in the hospital. The respite center may soon be busy once again. A federal appeals court recently ruled the Trump administration must allow people to apply for asylum if they're fleeing persecution and torture. However, the government can continue to deny asylum claims.
I'm glad that can be still an option for families who really need protection.
Across the border in Matamoros, an asylum hopeful from Haiti we first met in January is still working with an attorney to be able to enter the U.S. legally. I still have family in Haiti, he tells me over the phone. 2 of his cousins were killed by violence in the capital, Port-au-Prince. We aren't revealing the migrant's name to protect his safety. He says he wasn't persecuted or tortured in Haiti, but says conditions are not safe to live and work there. Back in January, he tried scheduling a time to enter the U.S. legally through the CBP One app, but the smartphone app was shut down by the Trump administration. An expert on crime in Mexico tells me an increase in asylum hopefuls reaching the U.S.-Mexico border could mean big business for organized crime. That includes extortions and kidnapping of migrants.
This is just going to reactivate. These networks, reconfigure themselves and adapt.
She believes Mexico will be pressured by the Trump administration to have migrants wait in Mexico if they're asking for asylum at the border with the U.S. In McAllen, Santiago Caicedo, Channel 5 News.
The Department of Homeland Security sent us this statement saying the new appeals court ruling would not require DHS to restart the catch and release policy. The federal agency adds that it will continue to fight to restore integrity to the nation's immigration system.